It's tangle time, and this is kind of one of my versions of cadent, just using 3 versus 4. And I'm just taking off and landing with an elongated S shape to different orbs. And then I'm connecting them with that same elongated S shape, but I'm doing that with a set of 3 instead of 4. And then I'm auraing the lines all the way around, and then I'm gonna really weight it at the bottom. And what I mean by weighting, you'll see I'm just gonna take ink and really heavily put some ink on both sides. And I do this all the way around. Now when I tangle, I like to start with gratitude, appreciation for the pen, paper, the air that I breathe, whatever it is. I just like to take a moment. And then once I do that, I take a nice inhale breath. And on the exhale, I let everything go, bringing my shoulders down away from my ears, relaxing. This is mindfulness art, just enjoying the moment. And then, if throughout your tangling, you need to just take another breath, just stop tangling and take a breath. Now I'm rounding out the corners to all of these so they look like they're going over the edge. And I just do this all the way around. Then I'm going to add some graphite and put that wherever feels good to me. There's no rhyme or reason for graphite. There's no light source in the Zentangle method. Now I'm just going back and really heavily inking it all over again. Because the minute I took that graphite back over, what it did was it made everything look kind of dingy, I guess is the word, and muddy. And now I'm just going to add some more along the outside and just keep going, adding more to this tangle over and over and over again. And once I do all of these, I'm going to aura the lines on these outer ones. And I'm only going to do it a few times. And I'm going to show it fast at first just to see the flow of it. And then I'm going to slow it down a little bit. But all I'm going to do is take of these 3 lines of these triangle shapes, I'm just going to aura them over and over again. So here we go. Aura, 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 aura on each side. So there ends up being 3, maybe 4, but don't get into how many there are. How does it look to you? Does it feel good? Do you like the way? And you may get into a flow where you end up wanting to aura the whole thing. That's fine too. There's no right or wrong. It's yours. So I just go ahead and I keep going and go ahead and watch this. Then I'm going to add some more graphite. And I'm also going to add these 3 little lines in the corner that sometimes make it look almost as though it's fabric. So keep an eye out. So here's those 3 little lines. And you can choose to put these in or not. It's completely up to you. Then I decided to add some charcoal, and I didn't really blend the charcoal out. I really liked how it looked just like this, so I just left it. But it's all about what feels good for you. So again, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget it's okay to go outside the lines. Have a great one. See you next time.